Hi guys, my name is Iniya
and my name is Thuya.
Today we are unboxing the Easter egg chocolate candy thing. We got this at Costco for under $20 and then we have a special thing. Boom boom! We have a puzzle. So my dad actually bought this from Costco the other day and we actually really liked it. On the first day, me and my brother started solving it. Even my older brother did like a Rapunzel one that I couldn't do because I rage quit.
And I finished most of them.
Yeah, he did all the 50 ones. There's 25 and 50 and there's 20 puzzles in all of it. We both finished them all, but he did all the 50 ones. Alright, so I really like this because it's super cool and there's different Disney characters. And it's only Disney because it says Disney, right?
And it's very hard to solve.
Yeah, it took Thuya super long to solve. Okay, now we have the chocolate. Okay, what do you want to talk about it? How do you think it's going to taste like first?
I feel that's going to taste super good.
Okay, so we actually got this at Costco as well. Me and my mom went shopping and then I saw this and then it got my eye, so I put it on the cart. My mom actually thinks that this wouldn't taste good. So, okay, no, it's tied up. So we're gonna come back because we gotta open this.
I can do it because the man always has problems.
Oh no!
Told you.
Oh wait, I don't think it can.
Wait, it's a rubber band.
Oh yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. Don't blow. Okay, we're gonna be eating this one because it's the easiest one. Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Thuya and I have been waiting for this.
I was just looking at this thing the whole
time. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good.
Really, this plastic, so we're on. Pull it up.
Okay, I'll pull it up.
Yeah, but I put it on the desk.
Oh my god, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna eat the bear.
I'm gonna eat the tiger.
I don't think this is a tiger. Oh yeah, that is a, this is a tiger, right? No! My dad wiped the table, guys. Don't worry, we wiped it down. Alright.
Me too.
There's chocolate in there. Look, for me. Oh, I like it so good. Oh, we have a special guest here. My dog. She's not allowed having chocolate just because. You want it? Aww. Okay. What do you eat it?
I will.
Okay guys, there is, so you ate a tiger, right? So there's a tiger, there's a teddy bear, there's a bunny, and a dog. So we're gonna open them and show you what comes inside of it. I think it has the same style.
And this one has a bear. We didn't see a bear in order.
No, there's a bear. I ate the bear.
Oh.
So I'm gonna open this up for you guys. Alright guys, so we have a dog, a bunny, and you guys can't see the tiger because Thuya ate it on this one, so we're gonna show you on this one.
But they couldn't see the bear because you ate it.
Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the bunny. Okay. And it's okay, inside it's like no chocolate inside, so it's like plain inside, so the float it's outside. Wait, is this a lion? Yeah. Oh yeah, okay guys, it has two faces.
They detailed it very good and you can see it very clearly. And obviously you can see it as a dog because the detail is very good. And for this, you can see it as a lion because he's happy and he looks very cool and he's happy about it. And there's the other face. I really don't know how his face looks like. So yeah, you will do the next too.
Okay, so this is the bunny. Oh yeah, on the back side he's holding his hands together like this, and then his little tail. And then I have a little bear. And over here the details are really cute. So it's really cute because over here there's two faces and then over here there's like a little thing. Oh, I remember one thing that I don't like about the dog.
What?
The big nose. It's super cute.
What's that you don't like it about it? Well, he says it was cute.
I know, but I just want to say that. But what's your favorite animal out of these?
I think it's gonna be the lion.
Why?
Because it has two faces and the detail is very good and he looks so happy.
Even though I said I don't like the dog, the nose, but I would prefer this one just because I love dogs and I don't like I don't like bunnies. But
hey, what do you say about me?
but I don't like tigers either. I have a teddy bear, but I don't like use it often. But this is pretty cute, and there's a collar on it. This has two faces. This one's a hairy one. This is kind of scary. Oh, yeah. That is scary. And also, it's made out of milk chocolate.
Yeah.
It's super good. Okay guys, so we have a different challenge to do. This one's a fun one. So it won't make a mess because we have a towel there, so don't worry. And we also wash the hands, so don't worry about that as well. Alright, so Thuya, do you want to explain the rules or explain what we're doing? Because they're wondering.
So we're doing the smashing challenge. So we're gonna smash it. You will see when you watch this whole thing, you'll see how it's done. And we're gonna have a 5-second rule, and who does it who breaks the most.
Yeah. So this I think it's gonna be very easy for me. I just think of something that makes me mad or annoying. I just smack it. But we can only use this part. We can't punch it forcefully. And we only have 5 seconds to do both. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing a challenge.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see who can break the most
in 5 seconds.
Yeah, the chocolate. So my dad said we can do this challenge. So and also we're not gonna be wasting them. We're gonna be eating them. So
you're gonna open one and I'm gonna open one.
So we each got our own boxes.
And I tried.
Also guys, look, there's the butterfly. Yeah, the butterflies. The butterflies on the top. And there's also nut free and this little. This is also good for toddlers because it's like, oh my god, you made a mess. It's really good.
They all died, sadly.
Okay, how do you take it out?
No, put on the big headphone.
No! Okay, so we'll put that in the box. Yeah. Oh no, well, that was a dog. That was a dog. My dog almost ate them. Sorry. Okay.
Here, make them all stand up.
Okay, guys, this is all we're doing, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, so before we start, it's broken. As you guys see, this was not by accident. My dad wanted to see us. But we have a judge right here. The judge will have all eyes on the chocolate. And the judge is my dog. So we have, I think 5 seconds is a bit too long because I broke this in like less than a second. So we're gonna have 3 seconds.
Oh.
Okay, so time to start. 3. Wait, we're both going, right? Yeah, we're both going.
We don't want to get her hurt.
Yeah, guys, there's a table. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, look at my hand.
Oh.
Yeah, so there is like, oh my god. Guys, it's like a puzzle. Look, watch this. We can solve it.
So cool.
Yeah, look at all these chocolates. Thuya did not do this one.
Yeah?
I think Thuya did the most.
Wait, yeah, I did way the most.
Because everything was on his side and I was trying to slam it, but my hands started hurting. So we're gonna... Can we try one? Can we try one? Yeah, try. You try this one. 3. Would it taste the same every question? Let's go see it. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, since we both like chocolate, so does she. So we're gonna put it on the table.
Come on,
so we're gonna, oh come, she dropped a piece.
Come Lexi, come here.
Come here. This is my little cute, oh wow. Okay, not too much, not too much. Oh my god, you get too, hey! Whoa! Okay, she has to have, okay, we're gonna put this away because we're gonna eat that maybe. So this is the, oh my, she just stole, guys, she's knocking down stuff. Okay, so get what you can. Let me just move this. You didn't get too much. Is it good? Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Kiss it. Guys, don't worry. We don't give her too much chocolate.
I love her.
She's so cute. They give her Oh, you want more? No, no, no. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give a like,
Subscribe
and comment down below.
and share the video
Yeah, and put your notifications on.
to check our new videos.
We're gonna be uploading weekly on Sundays or Saturdays.
And if we do it late, we're just making another video.
Yeah. Also, guys, a spoiler alert: we're uploading an ice cream video, so stay tuned for that.